Let's talk about Prestige Enamel 2-liter stovetop whistling kettle red. Prestige Red Porcelain Enamel 2-liter whistling kettle, 19 cm by 19 cm by 23 cm. Porcelain enamel exterior. Whistling feature indicates when water is boiled. Lock open spout for easy filling and pouring. Suitable for all cooker types including induction. I bought this kettle 3 months ago, having read all the positive reviews on Amazon about it. Initially I was pleased with my kettle when it arrived, but then I noticed black flecks floating around in the water. On closer inspection of the interior of the kettle, it showed that the coating on the interior was peeling off. I am very disappointed and expected much higher quality than this. Goodness knows how long this has been happening, as I have only recently noticed this. I am concerned about the possible health risks to myself and my family and how long we have been ingesting this material. And then the handle has come off now. I am sending it back and expect a full refund. I will not be having another, as I am concerned that this will happen again. Prestige should consider recalling this product, in my opinion, if this has happened to others. Overall, I like the kettle. The color is super, exactly as I hoped it would be. The shape is good, the base is steady, it comes to the boil very quickly. The one big complaint I have is that the handle gets very hot when the water has boiled. It is supposedly designed with a heat break, but it doesn't work efficiently. You have to leave the kettle for a few minutes to go off the boil before opening the spout to pour it, otherwise the steam coming up will make the handle too hot to hold. If you do that, all is well. A great pity, as otherwise the kettle is great. We did debate as to whether we would return it, but have kept it because we very much like everything else about